Tesla is recalling 125,000 electric vehicles due to a critical seatbelt warning system malfunction. Stay tuned to learn all the details and what it means for Tesla owners. Tesla has identified a problem in the seatbelt warning system affecting several models, including the Model 3, Model Y, Model S, and Model X. The issue involves a faulty occupancy sensor that can render the seatbelt warning alerts inactive. The affected vehicles span from 2012 to 2024 for the Model S, 2016 to 2024 for the Model X, 2017 to 2023 for the Model 3, and 2020 to 2023 for the Model Y. This wide range of production years is due to the specific seatbelt reminder logic installed in these cars. Seatbelt warning chimes have been mandatory and life-saving features since the 1970s. The malfunction in Tesla's system means drivers may not be alerted if their seatbelt is not fastened, posing a significant safety risk. Tesla plans to address this issue with an over-the-air software update. This update will bypass the faulty occupancy sensor and solely rely on the seatbelt latch status when the car's ignition is activated. This solution eliminates the need for a service center visit, making the fix convenient for Tesla owners. This isn't Tesla's first seatbelt-related recall. In 2023, the company recalled nearly 16,000 Model S and Model X vehicles for a seatbelt pretensioner issue, which required a physical inspection at service centers. For the current recall, Tesla has received 104 warranty claims related to the seatbelt warning system malfunction. Fortunately, there have been no reported injuries or accidents due to this defect. If you own one of the affected Tesla models, keep an eye out for the over-the-air update that will resolve this issue. Your safety is paramount, and Tesla is taking steps to ensure that their vehicles remain secure and reliable. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on automotive news and safety recalls.